Time to go to work. Monday morning. Nice, beautiful day. Great day to ride Basanti. Before we get on the highway, I gotta get some gas. Running low. Time is 10:40. So first going to get some gas and then go to work. It feels very comfortable today, this morning, late morning. Bit cloudy. This one I use super. $3.2 gallons, $11.64. Not bad. Basanti is ready. I am ready too. Northern State Parkway. So this summer I am taking 3 days off instead of normal 2, and come January when the tax season starts I will be working 6 days, technically 7 days, 6 days in the office, and Sunday I work from home. So that gives me chance to catch up and all that and rest a little bit. Yeah, there were days when I used to work 7 days, 14 to 18 hours a day during the tax season. That was like norm. Number one rule to give back is train other people so they can learn and they can carry on, you know. And the worst thing we can do is keep knowledge to ourselves. It's a good karma. It's a karma. You know, you are helping somebody, you are sharing your knowledge. And I strongly believe that good things happen to you as well. You know? That's what life is. We help others, others help us. I know in my early years I was very like to myself, I don't want to share anything with anybody. I think that's normal when you're new in business. You do not want to tell people how you do it. But I guess there comes time when you realize that, hey, you learned somehow. There was somebody who helped you. In fact, I did have a mentor. He was like my father's age, actually. He passed away last year. Rest in peace. Very nice gentleman. I will often call him and ask him a question. And he was so gracious and generous to offer his help. I am 60 years old, so the main focus of this channel is to stay active, especially if you're in your 50s, 60s, 70s and beyond, because I believe if you stay active, you can live happier and healthier life. That is good, that is great. And that is the path I am following. But the request I would like to make is that comments, please give me your comments after each video, so this way where I can improve, or at least what types of videos would you like to watch, what types of videos you want me to make. So I believe I have some experience in life. I am still actively involved in my business. I'm a certified public accountant here in New York. I feel like I have some things to offer, but I am finding it hard to decide what type of video should I make, what type of videos you would like to watch. If I am riding on Grand Central Parkway, I will show you these two bridges. I just like them so much. In general, I like bridges. They connect. That's why I like them. So here we always have some traffic for one reason, that people are getting on and off Long Island Expressway, just a little further down. And also now US Open is going on in Flushing Meadows. My middle son is somewhat into tennis. He plays every weekend. I think it's a Cunningham Park in Queens. So he was telling me that the first week I can go and watch 3 matches. But he's been telling me for the last 2 years, actually. We were discussing about it a couple of weeks ago. The funny thing is that I do not understand the game. Literally. Are you laughing? I just don't know how that game works. The point system and all that. So it might be helpful for me to watch a couple of YouTube videos. Yes. So I am passing under Long Island Expressway. We were on it yesterday, coming back from Staten Island. So this is Flushing Meadows. I might have mentioned in one of my videos before. I think that's where they shot the last scene of Men in Black. It's been under renovation for a while. All this traffic in the right lane going for the tennis. My office is in Jackson Heights, so I could just take number 7 train and come here. My exit coming up. I'm sure you know it by now, exit 40. Right here. Today was a very comfortable ride on the highway. I really enjoyed it. Traffic was slow at some spots, but nothing out of ordinary. Here you go. My favorite traffic light. But lately, I don't see too many of my friends. Just few of them on the traffic light and just few just flying around. Well, there are some here. Yeah, nice. Welcome to Jackson Heights. Alright, so I should be at the garage in a couple of minutes. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, share, subscribe. I thank you so much. I will see you in the next one. Till then, stay active, enjoy life.